Hi friends! My niece and I wanted to make our own version of the Tinytown game, but we didn't have the same items that the Mystery Science people had, so we decided to improvise. Instead of printing out paper with houses on it, we made our own houses by cutting a regular piece of paper in half and then folding it into fourths. Then we folded it until it made a triangle. Next, instead of using cardboard and push pins, we just used a pan and magnets. We found out that our pan wasn't actually magnetic, so we had to stick magnets on the top and bottom of the pan in order to get it to stick, but it still worked. We also couldn't find our ping pong balls, so we used other types of balls. Any type of ball can really work for this game. Just use whatever you have. I know in the regular Mystery Science video it said to only use 5 pins, but because we're using different types of balls and different types of objects to roll, it's okay to modify the game a little. Just use whatever you have and try to see what you can come up with. It's okay if you have to try again and again and again to get your ball to go into the cup. When engineers design things, it often takes more than one try to get it right. And that's okay. That's how we learn. Watch how many times my niece had to try in order to get the ball to land in a bucket. Mm-hmm.
Don't try the bucket.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going this way.
The juggling ball just sat there.
What?
I guess we should try a different ball.
Let's try orange.
Okay.
See? This is the orange.
Oh no, our houses.
Let's see. Huh? What?
Well, it stopped the boulder, but we didn't get to catch it. How can we make the ball roll so it goes in there? Oh, well, closer. It just knocked down my house. Try again.
Yeah. Maybe make it go in there, and this needs to go like that, and we need to make a slide maybe. Maybe then it needs to go. This time I'm gonna pretend the glue stick is a tree. We're gonna do a bigger tree, but it's really a toilet paper roll. Whoa. It didn't do anything. We're done. This marble. Alright, here we go.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I guess the marble is too small. It just slid through the magnets.
Let's try that all over again. Maybe we have the magnet again. And look at the end. There's this and there's another one under, and I could go in there maybe. So let's see if it could. Huh? This time we're going to make Play-Doh in here and check if it goes there. This time we might let it win in there. Woohoo! Woohoo! The goal! What's it? We save the houses. We save the houses. Can you save your house?
Show us in a video.